Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you in case in your laptop recycle bin is not working or not responding. For this I will show you how to solve this. In the keyboard need to press the Control Shift and Escape key to open the task manager. In the task manager need to find Windows Explorer, select this Windows Explorer, right click and restart it. After this try to open the recycle bin. If it is open, okay, otherwise go to the next step. Okay, select recycle bin, right click, properties, then here need to select your hard disk drive, select the custom size and click apply, and then go for the next drive, E drive, apply it, and then select E, apply it. Like this, what are the partitions you have, need to select it one by one. After this, next you try to open recycle bin. If it is working, okay, otherwise go to the next step. In the start, type cmd, right click, command prompt, run as administrator. Here need to type sfc space /scan now, press enter, wait for few minutes. It will take, depending upon your system, it will complete it in 5 to 10 minutes depending upon your system performance. Okay, okay, now verification 100% completed. Now we will go for the next step. One command is there here. This is the command you need to type in the cmd. Okay, and press enter. After this, wait for 5 minutes. After this, close this and go for the next step. In the run, type rst rui. This is the system restore files, but in my laptop there is no system restore files. We did not create any backup for the restore point. For this, it will not work. And the last option is go to the settings. Here type user account, create one user account. Here create one user account and then try to open the recycle bin. After this it will work, otherwise you need to, there is no option for the recycle bin to restore it. For this you need to reformat your system. Okay, thank you. We will create one user account called admin, create it. The user account has been created. Now you can try to log in with that username, that user account. Whether if it is most probably the problem will be solved, otherwise go for the format your Windows system. Okay, thank you.